Hey, Akuna Matata. So Canon just released a new firmware update for the Canon EOS R6 and also R5. This one is the EOS R6. And apparently there is so exciting improvement with that new firmware update. 1.4, no, that's the current firmware. The new one is 1.5.0. And what is in here is the 1.4.0. So in this video, what we're gonna do, I really want to compare it with the 1.4 and 1.5. Let me just get quickly and read to you what are those improvements that Canon proposed. And before we do that, I am looking to reach 1,000 subscribers. And for that, I have a giveaway. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, you have a chance to win this Mavic Air drone when I reach 1,000 subscribers. There are 3 simple things for you to do. First and foremost, you have to subscribe to my channel. And second, in the comment box below, you write your name, say I enter. And third and last thing, you have to like this video. So let's get back to the video. So let quickly go into the Canon website and read what Canon proposing as a new improvement. Okay, so here is I'm in that website. Yeah, the firmware update for the Canon, for the EOS R5 and R6, and also the EOS 1DX Mark III. And as we have the EOS R6 here, the one thing that is interesting us is the R6. So let's go back to EOS R6. So here is EOS R6. So then EOS R6 firmware version 1.5.0. Great. So there is 13 points in this update. And I think, you know, the part that is really interests me, and I want this kind of to compare with the current version of EOS, the current version of firmware 1.4.0 are the top 4 points in here. Number 1 is head detection performance is improved to support detection when the helmet or goggles are worn during winter sport. Right, I think, yeah, we don't have a winter sport gear here. We're not doing winter sport, but we can use different things just to hide the face, so we will check. Second is the vehicle detection. So it's simple. Vehicle selection, so it's simple. We will see in the current firmware 1.4.0, there is no option to select that. With the firmware 1.5, we see if we're gonna get that option. Number 3, detections performance is improved for eye detection in the following area. When there are shadow on the face, for example, if I'm wearing the hat like this, there's no shadow. If I'm wearing the hat like this, there's a shadow on the face, and we will see, right, if that's gonna be improved. And second, that's point A. Point B, when bang are hanging over the eyes, when you have lots kind of, I don't know what does that mean by bang having over. I guess that when when you don't sleep and then your eyes like swollen. I think so. Otherwise, someone need to Google it and then let us know. Let me know in the comment box below if you know what does that mean when bangs are hanging over the eyes. Right. So number 4 is torso detection of human subject is now supported. If the eyes, face, or head are hidden or cannot be detected, the torso will be detected and tracked continuously. So number 5 is when shooting still image, it is not possible to import manual white balance. No, I mean, anyway, the top 4. All right, so what we're gonna do first, I'm just gonna set up the Canon EOS R6 with the current firmware and try to see the top 4 points. What is the situation now? And then when we're gonna update it, so we're gonna compare them. So just bear with me a second. I need to set it up. I need the Ninja. All right. So guys, so quickly, yeah, what I'm gonna do, let's just check quickly the current version, yeah, for you to see exactly what is that. So um, all right, so I go to menu, and in the menu, so you go to setup, and number 5, you can see, yeah, firmware, camera, firmware, yeah, camera version 1.4.0. So that's the current one. So I'm gonna set up the camera quickly, and I'm gonna be doing those points to see, all right? And then when we're gonna update it, so we see the difference that we're gonna make. So bear with me a second. Okay, guys, so now I set up the Canon R6, right? And the current firmware is 1.4.0. And I wearing my hat and like that. So then it's focusing my face. And sometimes it go from the eye and face. So we can see that. So that's the current firmware. And later we're gonna see, the improvement. So let's say I have the hat and I can wear my mask. Because we don't have a goggle, right? We don't have a goggle, so we're just gonna wear a mask. See? The mask is there. So I'm wearing mask, I'm wearing my glass. Okay, yeah, okay. So it's hunting. So I think it lost my face because it's focused on the microphone. Focus on my face, not the microphone. Yeah, it's focusing on, because it's not seeing because it does not see my face. But if I remove my glasses, still no. So it's focused on the microphone, not on my face. All right, okay, that's one thing. All right, so that's the 0.1 and 0.3 detection performance, where the shadow on the face went bang. So torso, if I, like this, no, it's not. Definitely like this. So the torso thing is, yeah. All right. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna remove the mask. If I remove the mask, that's what it is now. All right, so what do we need to do now? So we're going to update to the latest firmware 1.5, and then we do the same test again to see is it gonna be improved, right? So stay tuned. All right, so now let's go download the firmware 1.5. So let's go to firmware for Mac and download. All right, it's downloading. All right, it's downloaded. Go to download. Okay, here it is. So it's downloaded. So what do we need? We need SD card. All right. So I'm gonna insert the SD card. So that's where we're gonna copy the firmware in here. So SD card is inserted, and where is the SD card? All right, the SD card is here. So first we need to open the DMG file. So we double click it, and it is open. Okay, so here is the folder open. The yours are 6 version 1.4.40. So what we need is this file. The yours are 650.fir. So we copy it and we place it into the SD card, into the main root. Yeah, that's the main root. So now it's there. So let's eject the card. Eject it. Let's eject. Remove the card. And now, so I'm going to insert it in the camera. Okay, yes, okay, then that's done. So now I insert it. So we're gonna start the process of updating the firmware. So I'm gonna go to the menu to update the firmware. Go to setup. You choose the setup, the yellow thing, not the pink, not the blue, not the purple, but the yellow one. And in the yellow, you go to number 5, and at the bottom, you see firmware. And now the current version is 1.4.0. So you press on firmware, right? And you press on camera, and now it gives you the current version, and it says to you, update firmware. So that you move to OK. You press OK. Now it is updating. I think I don't know why. When it's updating, you cannot record the screen. You see, the Ninja just turned itself off. So, but here you can see. Can you see that? Yeah, you can see it. So, what do? We just press OK. Can you see? Yeah, it's 1.5.0. So press OK. You go to OK, and you press OK, and now it's updating.
A few moments later.
Okay, I think it's done, All right. Let's go into the menu. And yeah, here, voila, here it is. Good. So we say few things. So here, oh, this? Yeah, I mean, this detail is much, it's like the English is more simpler English, like the English that I understand. So let's look. So improve head detection performance to support helmet and goggle in the winter. So we're gonna do that so we can compare it. Add vehicle detection, add vehicle selection. So let's look at we can look at this one now. So I'm gonna go to autofocus. So I'm here in autofocus, and in autofocus is the pink color. So subject detect. Oh no, subject detect. So that's when we're gonna find out if they have a vehicle. Oh voila! So now we have a vehicle. Right now we have a vehicle. Wonderful. Let's go back. What else? So now I'm gonna set up the camera and then we do the test like we done it early on.
A few moments later.
Improve head detection, performance to support helmet or Google in winter. So we're gonna do the same thing. Where's my mask? So I'm gonna wear the mask and then we can see. So it's in my face early on here, it does not. So eye, face, eye. Okay. Okay. Well, we see the improvement. Okay, that's good. That's good. So looking in left eye or right eye, even with the glasses, I remove the glasses, still there. Right. Change the position, still there. Yeah. Okay. So what about, let me close my face. Let's see. Try to close my face. I don't know. What do you think? Because I can't see you. Right. Okay. So let me, yeah, that's absolutely. So let me move back. You can still see my face. All right, still. Right, let's focus my head. Get up. Let me turn. You guys will let me know it's still in my head. I guess so. I can see. So I guess it's in my head. If I turn this way. So if I cover my head, let's see if it's gonna look for my torso. Like this. Do it this way. Wow. This way it's still looking for my head. Really? Oh wow. Like this. I think it's focused on the microphone. So this way it's not finding my torso. Canon, you say torso. What is the torso? Let me move this one aside. Let's see. I think we don't. I don't see the square. Yeah. I think it's kind of finding my face, even that far. And I didn't put it that way. So this way it's supposed to. So it's focused on my torso. I don't see any square on my torso. I can see that it's focused, but it's hunting. Okay. I think the torso thing is not. If I remove the mask, so if I remove the mask and the thing still focus on my face, I remove the mask, and now it's in my eye. So basically, if I come here, you can. If I'm here, there's certain, but that's in my face. That's my eye. If I move here, it's in my eye. It's in my eye. Eye. Move here. Eye. Move forward. Eye. So when is the torso working? Is it just focusing on my head? Canon, I think you need to fix the torso thing. I don't think that the torso is working. Yeah, guys. So you can see there's certain improvement, and especially when you're wearing mask, wearing glass with the hat, still try to focus on your face, focus on your eyes, and so and so. So I can see the improvement, but I don't think that the torso thing worked, and it does not work. Okay, Akuna Matata. So that's what I have for you today. So I hope you find it very useful. I hope that you updated your R5 or R6 to the latest firmware 1.4. No, 1.4. To the latest one, 1.5.0. And there's some improvement, especially in the autofocus. The autofocus is already great, but there is some improvement. Thank you very much, my friend. So stay tuned, stay protected, and I will see you in my next video. And God bless you. Yeah. All right. Ciao.